Namaste. This is the class of pharmaceutical analysis, and today we will study about type of acid base titration. Titration of strong acid, strong base titration. These are different type of titration. Next is titration of weak acid strong base titration is another type of titration. Then titration of strong base acid and weak base is other type of titration. Then titration of weak acid and weak base. Then titration of polyprotic acid and strong base titration. Titration of polybasic base and strong acid titration. Next, titration curve. So what is titration curve? A titration curve is the plot of the pH of analyte solution versus the volume of titrant added to the titration process. Okay, so it is pH upon volume. You can see here this pH of the analyte solution, then volume of the titrant. Okay, as we know, analyte is what? Unknown solution, and titrant is unknown. Let's attempt to draw some titration curve now. So first, titration of strong acid with the strong base, strong titration. Here is this example, analyte in a hydrochloric acid and the titrant is sodium hydroxide, strong base. If we start plotting the pH of analyte against the volume of NaOH that we are adding from the burette, we will get the titrate curve as shown. So you can see here, this example I have taught you in the previous class also. So you can check the previous class for this. Then point 1 is, in this is NaOH add yet, so the pH of the analyte is low, predominant content. Then next you can see this reaction diagram of solution transformation prior to titration, as NaOH is added dropwise and H3O slowly start getting consumed by OH superscript produced by dissociation of NaOH. Analyte is still acidic due to predominance of H3O. Point 2, this is the pH recorded at a time point just before complete neutralization take place. Third, this is the equivalence point. At this point, moles of NaOH added, moles of HCl in the analyte. At this point, H3O are completely neutralized by the OH ion. The solution only has salt and water, and therefore the pH is neutral. That is, pH is 7. So here we have seen one example, and other I have taught you later in the previous lectures. You can check those lectures. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.